Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a soft pull increase using Chase credit card rules. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Chase online account. Navigate to the account dashboard where all your credit card information is displayed. Locate the credit card you wish to configure for a soft pull increase. Click on the credit card to access its account details. Look for the option that mentions credit limit or credit line increase. Click on that option to proceed. Review the available information regarding your current credit limit. Take note of any specific requirements listed by Chase for a soft pull increase. Decide on the amount you wish to request for the increase. Ensure that your request falls within Chase's guidelines. Fill out the required fields, including your desired credit limit increase. Provide any necessary financial information that may be requested. Double-check your entries to ensure all information is accurate. Submit your request for the soft pull increase. Wait for a confirmation screen indicating that your request has been received. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or notifications from Chase regarding your request. Once approved, the new credit limit should reflect in your account shortly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.